Hey, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our JIC 891 crimping plier and our JIC 22148 5-in-1 combination crimping plier. So the JIC 891 is designed to crimp UG, UR, UI connectors, 709 connectors, and AMP Tel-Splice connectors. The tool is made of high carbon steel and heat treated for strength and durability. It has a nice curved handle for comfort and additionally very thick cushion grip here for additional comfort. The JIC 22148 is a 5-in-1 combination crimping plier. It has long nose pliers. It has a stripping slot in it for 22 gauge wire. It has the crimping slot for your UG, UR, UI, 709 connectors, and Tel-Splice connectors, cutter. And on the bottom is a crusher, which is great for crimping B-type connectors. The tool is made of chrome vanadium steel and heat treated for maximum strength and durability. It also has a nice curved handle that fits well in your hand with extra thick vinyl grips for additional comfort. These tools are simple to use. Here I have some wire. So all I'm going to do here is pair up. In this case, I'm going to pair up 2 blue wires together, grab my connector, put it in, and crimp. That's it, done. I'll do the same thing with the JIC 22148 on some brown wire I have right here. Together. In this case, I'll use a different type connector and you'll see it still fits in the tool quite well. There you go. Crimp, done. Cutter on the bottom. Cut the wire right off. Thank you.